Hi friends, it's Cassie. Welcome back for another video here on my YouTube channel. Today we're going to be playing with the amazing Paper Grace die. This is a club kit from Spellbinders, and this is the one you're going to get for September. It is called the Pop-Up Vignette Bubblegum Machine. I love these amazing Paper Grace dies because they're just a little different than your regular dies. They're meant to make either shaped cards or bigger cards, or they're just a little bit different, and I love that this one is a bubblegum machine. I'm going to make a shaped card using our bubblegum machine die set. I'm showing you how I just kind of left the top. I didn't go all the way to the top there. That's how I was able to make that shape card. But here is what it's going to look like, and I'll talk about each of the pieces as we go along. Here I just went ahead and die cut this piece out, and then I used these pieces as on the side. They fit right in here, and then they just give an impression on your die cut to mimic the old nostalgic bubblegum machine. This was so much fun, and it brought so much nostalgia back to me. All right, we're going to go ahead and increase the speed of our video, and I'll show the pieces that we're using as we go. I've die cut some of the pieces out of silver and some of them out of red, and then just various other colors, but we're going to put together our top. And some of the pieces you'll find you can use for more than one option. So I like that. It's coming together. It'll fit right at the top there. Then we're going to pick out this piece. So I used just this piece to cut out some white, and then I used it together with our gumballs to cut out this piece, and that will give our silver frame and then a base for our bubble gum. So I'll just pop out the pieces in between. Then I'm going to go ahead and glue that down to our white piece. But I've seen others do it where it's see-through, so super fun. And then this would cut out your different gumballs. You have one that's a set of 8 and then a single one. And I just cut them out of various colors, lots of different colors there. Didn't know exactly how many I would need, but I just die cut a bunch. So we'll attach this down to our white piece so that I have that white base, but then that silver will mimic like the cover or the frame. And now I'll just go ahead and put some of those gumballs down. I'm going to use just a pickup stick to do so and put that right down on top of our silver cardstock that I have. And then we'll just fill that all in with all of those colors. And I'll end up having quite a few gumballs left over, but I'm going to use those in other ways as well. All right, now that we're finished up with that, we can move on to another piece. And I cut a lot out of silver, so that's going to go right in the middle there when we do start assembling. But here we have these pieces. Now that first piece I pulled out, that is actually used for something else. I decided to repurpose it because I'm not making it a 3D card. I'm just making it a shaped card. But we're going to put these little frame pieces around our gumball machine. And you'll notice there are 6 slits in that one piece. That is for the pop-up. And I'll talk about that in a little bit. This piece I've cut out of white, and then you have 3 different word options. I cut that out using our frame and the words as well. I use the 1 in a million. There's also I choose you and stuck on you. So super cute sentiment options. And then that piece will be ready, and then we can start adhering our little mechanism type piece. So this piece goes in the center there. You'll notice it cuts out a slot for a coin and the little area where your little gumballs would come out. This is going to be like the little turn area, so I'll put that right on there. And then you've got this piece, which is the actual turn, so I'll put that on there. I'm going to do mine a little bit cockeyed. And then you could cut out some coins if you wanted, but this piece is the piece, since it has those 6 slits. And I will have a link to the store, of course, and you can check out how people turn that into a 3D card, like a pop-up, but I again chose to use it in a different way. These could be coins, that's what you'll see there, and then we also have a tiny little cent sign and a tiny little dollar sign. I went ahead and cut those both out. I'm going to use the cent sign, but isn't that cute? You could put that on your coins. I'm going to put the little cent sign right on our turn. That's where you'd crank to get your gumball. Some of you younger folks may not quite know, but this was always what you wanted when you went to the store. Let me have a quarter, Mom, so I can get a gumball or a little toy. All right, I'll glue that down to the center. And I liked using that back piece, even though that, like I said, that wasn't what it was intended for, because then we have our opening and you can have gumballs popping out of there, but it also shows the silver. So it's a nice backing. All right, then we'll put our sentiment down. I'm going to attach our top. And then we're going to put some of the gumballs coming out. So I've got one in the machine and then 2 other dots. And I'll just grab a couple of gumballs. And then we need to attach this down to the front of the little gumball card base that I made. So we'll just use our liquid glue on there. And then we'll attach that down. And once we get that on there, that's going to finish off our card. I've seen some darling things made with this. Shakers, like I said, the 3D pop-up, just put on the front of a card. Just lots of fun little options for this die set. It's so, so cute. So I'll have it linked down below. If you like this video, be sure to hit that like button. Definitely consider subscribing if you haven't already done so. And I will see you very soon in another video. Bye, everybody.